Hello folks, we just finished the workshop, and instructor's workshop for this year for Qigong, and this is the last workshop I'll be teaching for Qigong for the foreseeable future. The next year I'll be offering courses in Hermetic magic, and spring workshops will be in Japan. For past students, we'll be making a space for 10 people at my home, and for new students I'll be using a dojo in Kyoto for the workshop. If you're interested in attending either of those, just drop Hari an email via the website. There's an email address there. And the end of the year workshops for Hermetic magic will be either here in Thailand or Philippines. I'm just looking for venues that are suitable. And once I've found a suitable venue, I'll post that on the website. The hotel accommodation in Japan runs $50 to $100 a day. So you're paying a bit more to attend the workshop there, where the hotel accommodation in Thailand and Philippines is $30 a day up. So it's you end up paying half the price, I think. So if you're interested in attending any of those, let me know. I won't be putting the details on the website for the past student workshop. Because that'll be almost booked already by the time people have watched this video, and a few people have already asked me if they can come, so that'll be full in no time, so I won't be listing it on the website. But for the public workshop, for students who haven't trained with me previously, I'll post the details up there soon. I just confirmed the dates with the owner of the venue, and we'll get that up. And a big thank you to all the people who came to my last Qigong workshop that just finished. It was a wonderful time meeting everyone and sharing knowledge with everyone and watching everyone grow. So big thank you to all of you. All right, we'll catch everyone on the next video, and stay happy.